Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can simply change your Wix username. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is to the right top corner to your profile, and then just click here account settings. When you're going to be here, you're going to see first name, last name, and account name. As you can see, to change account name you need to add a password. And now just enter new account name, and now click save. Let's see if it's going to work out. Maybe I just inserted wrong password. Yeah, because I log in through Facebook, so it's not going to work. I need to restart the password, but this is where you can do it. So you at least know. Go here to account name. And thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.